Hey guys, Chad from Donnelly Ford here. Today I'm here with, Gabe, what is this?
It's a Buick.
That's not a Buick. No, I'm kidding, of course, I know that, I'm your next salesperson. But really, I'm here today to show you why our 2017 Buick LaCrosse is the perfect luxury sedan for you. One is an awesome black paint job, shiny rims, chrome trim all over the place. The next would be really the interior of the vehicle. Let's hop in. So guys, this thing only has 67,000 miles on it, and you wouldn't tell by looking at the interior. This thing has awesome black leather interior that have heated seats, memory seats, a phone charger, ample legroom in the back, and plenty of storage, along with this awesome panoramic sunroof. So guys, this thing is listed right under $20,000 and gets a limited lifetime powertrain warranty. So if you want to complete your New Year's resolution of treating yourself this early in the year, go ahead, stop in and discover the Donnelly difference.